In a remote desert cave hidden for nearly 2,000 years lay a collection of ancient manuscripts. Their discovery would become one of the most important archaeological finds of the 20th century. These were the Dead Sea Scrolls. A young shepherd searching the rocky desert reportedly made an unexpected discovery. Inside a cave, ancient jars were found, and inside those jars were manuscripts that had survived for centuries. The scrolls contained ancient texts written mainly in Hebrew and Aramaic. Some included copies of biblical books. Others contained rules, prayers, and writings connected to an ancient Jewish community. Scientific studies showed that many of the manuscripts were more than 2,000 years old. Some dated to the centuries before and around the time of the Second Temple period. Suddenly, historians had direct access to texts from an incredibly distant past.
This fiber matches the 1200 CE period.
That fits our timeline perfectly.
Over time, archaeologists discovered manuscripts and fragments in multiple caves near Qumran. Thousands of fragments were eventually recovered. Together they formed an extraordinary archaeological puzzle. Imagine the work involved. Every letter carefully written by hand. Every manuscript copied with extraordinary patience. These scrolls were never meant to survive for thousands of years, yet somehow the dry desert environment helped preserve them.
Every letter must be perfect.
But why were the scrolls hidden? Historians and archaeologists have debated the exact circumstances. One possibility is that the manuscripts were stored for protection during a period of instability, but the full story of who placed them there remains uncertain. Today, modern technology is helping researchers study the scrolls in ways that were once impossible. Advanced imaging can reveal faded writing, connect tiny fragments, and help reconstruct texts that have been broken apart for centuries.
Let's trace this edge right here.
Wow, look, the text is appearing!
Even today, the Dead Sea Scrolls continue to present mysteries. Some fragments are incomplete, some texts remain difficult to reconstruct, and researchers are still learning more about the people, communities, and history connected to them. For nearly 2,000 years, these ancient voices remained silent, hidden beneath the desert, waiting to be discovered. The Dead Sea Scrolls remind us that history is never completely lost. Sometimes it's simply waiting to be found. What other secrets could still be hidden beneath the sands of time? Subscribe to HiddenNex for more mysteries, hidden history, and incredible discoveries. Stay curious.